VectorScript can be used to make objects like this one, which is a height to boundary object. Inside there's some mathematical code that allows you to change the height at the boundary, change the allowable height, change the daylight angle, change that back to 8 meters, and there's a little bit of code that actually calculates where all the parts should be. It has a 2D part, and it also has a 3D part, which we just looked at, and here's the 2D part. And you can copy these around and you can move them, and they're all individual, so each one can be slightly different. So one can be at 45 degrees and one can be at 55 degrees. So you can see they can be at different angles. So that's the kind of useful stuff that VectorScript can do. Here's another object I made called the timber object, and it's a stretchable piece of timber. And you can grab hold of it and you can pull it down and you can stretch it to fill a hole, and all that, once again, that's a VectorScript object. These objects, very small amounts of code, probably only, I know this one here had 48 lines, I can't remember on my timber object, but they're not many, maybe 50, 100 lines of code. Quite simple objects once you've learnt how to use VectorScript. So that's what we have to do, is a slow introduction to what VectorScript is and what it can do.